Hello everyone, welcome to today's Dhan Ki Baat. Again, we'll start with the Nifty Bank and then we'll see how sectors are looking good. So let's start with the Nifty first. Again, last week, like I said, 14,900 will be a make or break level. Though we haven't witnessed a breakout, small breakout though, on daily chart, but again, it has not sustained above 14,900 and the close again below 14,900. But the breakout is intact because if you can see on the hourly chart, it has seen a very good breakout. So I think the structure is positive at the moment because we crossed above 14,900, but we are unable to given the close above 14,900. But I think until unless we are trading above on the immediate basis, the support is lying somewhere around 14,700, 14,600 zone, and also we already breached the 14,900 zone. So I think the structure is more on buy on dip. So on the immediate basis, the stop losses for the Nifty coming somewhere around 14,700 below. So if anyone is holding long position in the Nifty, definitely they can hold so. And we may see once we again cross about 14,900, then we may see a good move in the Nifty in the coming session. So now let's look at some more patterns which is Nifty is forming right now. So if you can see in here, again the symmetrical triangle sort of pattern is formed on the Nifty chart. So if we sustain above 14,900 odd level, then we may see the next leg of move towards this level, which is around 15,150 with 15,160 odd levels. This will be the immediate and this will be the strong hurdle for the Nifty to cross on the higher side. And once we cross about this level, then a very good move towards previous swing highs, or we may see a previous swing high to break. So this sort of move one can expect in the Nifty. But again, on the downside, like I said, 14,700, 14,600 will act as a fantastic support. So these are the support line. The back black line which I have drawn is the strong support line, which is coming somewhere around 14,640 odd levels. So if anyone holding long position in the Nifty, definitely they can hold so with keeping stop loss below 14,650, and the overall stop loss is again below 14,550, which will be the final stop loss one can say for the longs. And then if that break, then we may see a good sort of profit booking comes in the Nifty. So 14,550 will be the last support for the Nifty. Above that we have 14,700, 14,600 supports, and on the higher side 14,900, 920 will be the immediate hurdle. Now let's look at the Nifty Bank also. Just a minute. If you can see here too, just a minute, let me. So again, I will draw just a minute. So we are trading below its breakout zone, which is not the good sign. But again, if you can see on the immediate basis, this level is will act as a fantastic support, which is around 32,100, one can say, on the downside. So 32,000 will be a make or break level for Nifty Bank. If we see breakdown below 32,000, then we may head towards somewhere around this level, which is 31,000. So as such, there is no strong support below 32,000 up to this level. So 31,000 will be the next support if we broke below 32,000. So 32,000 will be immediate and the fantastic support for the Nifty Bank. Any breakdown below 32,000, then we may head towards 31,000. But if we manage to hold 32,000, then the immediate hurdle would be this, which is 33,000. And if we cross let's say about 33,000, then we may see a good move towards 34,500, or 34,500 on the immediate basis. So these are the levels that one need to keep in mind while trading the Nifty Bank. I just again repeat it, 32,000 will be a fantastic support for the Nifty Bank, and on the higher side 33,000 will be steep hurdle. Once we cross about 33,000, then we may head towards 34,000. The structure is still not bearish one can say, but it will be bearish once we break below 32,000. So that is the Nifty Bank view. Now let's look at the sector. So the first sector which comes to my mind is the Nifty FMCG. A good breakout has been seen on Nifty FMCG. This was the strong hurdle for the Nifty FMCG last few last few some of the days. and it cross on the Friday session, so which means that the strong hurdle has been crossed on daily as well as on the weekly front also. If you can see, the weekly close has been happened above the resistance zone, so again which will act as a fantastic support on the downside on the immediate basis. So on the immediate basis, 34,900, will be a very good support. If Nifty FMCG again go back to that level, below that level, let's say 34,800, then one need to exit from the space. Then we may see some sort of more profit booking comes in toward levels. But if 34,800 levels are held, then we may see a good move towards 36,000 on the immediate basis and 38,000 on the overall basis. So Nifty FMCG will be the first space that one need to keep a radar on. Now, in the particular space, HUL has seen a very good breakout. So this was the breakout zone. Just a minute. A very strong breakout has been witnessed in the H1, and look at the bullish candle. Also volume, very good volume has been witnessed at the time of breakout. So I think one can say the pennant breakout. If you can draw the pennant out here, so pennant breakout has happened in the HUL, and so that's making it more interesting. Now, what are the support zone for the HUL on the immediate basis? 2400 will be fantastic support for the HUL. If again prices break below 24,000, then one need to exit from the stocks. And if the stocks are holding about 24,000, then we may see the next leg of move towards 2600 or 2700 odd levels in the near term. But 2400 will be a make or break level on the downside. If break below 2400, then one need to exit the stocks. Existing longs can be definitely hold with keeping stop loss below 2400. Next stocks which is on my radar, I feel that would be some buy above stocks, one can say. So this would be the, one can say, the Marico on the weekly chart. If you can see in here, this was the breakout zone, previous breakout zone, and again it has started moving after touching the previous breakout zone. Okay, which means the retest, one can say. Now, if let's say Mariko if managed to sustain above 420, 423 odd levels, then existing longs definitely can be hold, and then we may see a next leg of move towards 440, 450 odd levels in the near term. For the support front, I think 400, this zone 400 will act as a fantastic support. Let's say if Mariko breaks on the downside below the 400 level, then one need to exit the longs, those who are holding the longs in the Mariko. So 400 below we will not hold the longs, and above 422, 423 we may see a good move towards 450, 460 on the down, on the higher side. So Mariko would be the second one. Now the another one in the same space will be the Kolpal. Let me share the chart. Now Kolpal has a one can say the fixed structure. If you can see in here, it has the form the horizontal sort of channel pattern in here. It touch here, and again it went to the higher side, again it goes down, again it take the supports from the lower band, and again it started moving up. So now I think it has already taken support from the from the here. We also recommended last week. We may see the next move towards 1640, 1650 odd levels. So again the existing longs definitely can be hold with keeping stop loss below 1570 on the immediate basis. Fresh longs, I think one should be avoid, because the risk reward ratio will not be in favor. So 1570 will be the trailing stop loss for those who are holding the Kolpal, and the overall target would be 1650. And once we see a breakout above 1650, then we may see more 100 rupees upside in the Kolpal. So that was the Nifty FMCG. One can keep a radar on. The next pace that has given the breakout in the last week is the Nifty IT. So let's look at the Nifty IT again. The one can say the symmetrical triangle breakout has been happened in the Nifty IT, and prices went up. Most of the stocks, Infosys particularly, we have recommended last week also. It went up very aggressively. So I think Nifty IT will be the second space that one need to keep a radar on. But again, this would be the space that one need to use as a buy on dip opportunity. थोड़ा नीचे आएगा, then we will try to buy on the Nifty IT, because एक बार नीचे आने के chances है, and then it will go up. Now, what are the stocks which are looking good at the moment in the Nifty IT particularly? So, Techem. So let's look at the Techem first. Techem has seen a very good breakout above this level. So the breakout happened out somewhere around 1040. The volume activity was good. So again, existing longs definitely can be held in Techem. For the support front on the downside, it has a very good support around 1015. So that would be the trailing stop loss, one can say, for those who are holding the longs in the Techem. So 10115 will be the trailing stop loss for the Techem. On the immediate basis, we may see the move up to this level 1080, the previous swing highs, and once it cross above 1080, then we may see a good move in the Techem also. Now the another stocks from the same space is the Coforge. If you can see in the Coforge, again it has seen a very good breakout. Just a minute. So the breakout has been happened somewhere around these levels. So 3050 was the breakout zone. It is again 100 rupees up from that level. So again dips will be suggested, but again the trailing stop loss for the existing long will lies somewhere below 2990 2980. Below that we will not hold the Coforge. So those who are holding Coforge, those who are already having the long position in the Coforge, definitely they can hold so with keeping stop loss below 2980. And on the immediate basis, we may see the 3300 3350 levels on the higher side. Another stocks from the same space, which is again the Infosys has been witnessed a very good cup and handle breakout. So this was the breakout zone. Again, any dip around this level 1400 levels will be again a buying opportunity for the Infosys. So wait for dip for if anyone wants to buy in the Infosys. 1400 will be a fantastic support. There one can initiate the long position in the Infosys with keeping stop loss below 1330, and then we may see a very good move towards 1500 on the downside, on the upside. But again, one need to wait for the dips. So that's all from our side. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this.